Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God Almighty. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make and hibiscus gel. So that's my hibiscus. I've already soaked it with hot water. Then I'm just going to put that aside and allow it to soak for some time. So now my water is on the stove. As you can see, it's already boiling. So I'm just going to add some flaxseed gel inside the boiling water and allow it to boil off for about 10 minutes until the water got thicker. So then you will know that your gel is ready. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. So now my gel is ready. I'm just going to use that strainer to strain out the gel. Then I will throw away the seed. So after straining out the gel, so just allow it to cool down so that you will not burn yourself. So this is how the gel is looking like now. So I'm just going to remove this and add my hibiscus tea. So this is my hibiscus. As you can see, the tea is already ready. So I'm going to add the water bit by bit because I don't want the gel to be runny, so I still want it to be a little thick but not that thick. So I'll be adding the water bit by bit, then I will mix. If I'm okay with the consistency, I will stop adding water. If I'm not okay, I'm going to add the remaining water to the flaxseed gel. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to watch today video. I appreciate you guys so much. So now I'm still going to add the remaining the remaining hibiscus tea inside the flaxseed gel. So I'm just going to mix. I'm going to mix everything together for the gel and the hibiscus tea to combine very well. So I'm going to give it a very good mix until everything combines so well. So guys, this is how my gel is looking like now. So nice, so beautiful. So you can make this at home and just use it for your hair, your twist out, your braid out, any style that you want to do. You can use it for your hair at home as a gel, okay, as a styling gel. So to save some coins, I use this gel to make a beautiful hairstyle. So this is how the gel is looking like. I'm just going to transfer it to my jar, then I will just cover it and keep it aside until I'm ready to use it on my hair. So if you are just seeing my face, seeing my video on YouTube for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you so much. If you like what you see, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and also share with your friend. And also remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new videos. So this is already washed hair, shampoo, condition and deep condition. So this is how my hair is looking like now without any single product. So I'm just going to put my hair in session, then it's time for me to apply my gel to my hair. Flaxseed gel is so good for our hair. It's rich with vitamin E, and it's also good for our hair, even our skin also. It's also good. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just adding my hair grow oil to my scalp before I will apply the gel to my hair. First of all, give my scalp some goodness, I will first of all apply that to my scalp first, then before I will then use the gel on my hair. So flaxseed also promotes healthy hair growth, and also is also good for the scalp. It also improve circulation in the head and also help to grow your hair so fast, and also slow down hair breakage, which is so good. Okay, so now it's time for me to apply the gel to my hair. As you can see, this is so good. This gel, with the help of the hibiscus tea inside, everything is going to make your hair look so beautiful, so moisturized, so defined, so sweet. So guys, you can see how my coils are forming together already with this gel. Like, so when I used it, I was like, I'm not going to buy gel again. I'll just be making my own gel at home. This is so beautiful. I love it. You can use it for your twist out, your braid out. I will also try it on ponytail. Maybe you can also use it to lay down your hair as a ponytail, because it's so good. It's a nice gel with the combination of hibiscus. It's going to also help to grow your hair, reduce breakage, reduce split end, also stimulate hair growth, and so many benefits that you can get from using this product on your hair. So now I'm going to be using this Indian hemp to kind of seal in the moisture so that my hair can stay soft and also shiny. So if you don't want to use hair grease, you can use any oil of your choice to add shine to the hair, because I did not add any oil to this gel. So because I have it in mind that I'm going to use this my grease instead of adding oil to the gel. So if you don't mind, you can add oil to your gel and also use the hair grease, or if you don't like using hair grease, you can use any oil of your choice. So now I'm just going to continue to twist my hair, then I will be back to show you guys how my hair is looking like the next day. So guys, I'm done twisting of my hair. So this is how my hair is looking like now after twisting. See the shine, guys. This combination is so good. If you really want to try this, make sure you use hair grease to seal in everything, to add shine, and also to keep your hair soft. With the help of the flaxseed, everything is going to turn out so good. So my gel is finished. Here is the anti jar. So I will make another one in case I want to use it on my hair again. So now this is the next day, guys. My hair really dries so fast. So this is the next day. It's time for me to unravel my twist. So you can see that coils, guys. The coils is so visible. Like, I'm so much in love with this product, with this DIY hair gel. The hold was really too much. Like, my hair feels so nice, so defined, so shiny, so moisturized. So I'm just going to continue to take down my twist. After taking down this twist, I'm going to separate my hair. Look at those coils, guys, so beautiful. So one thing you are going to benefit is not just going to define your coils, it's also going to help you to grow your hair, also going to help you to minimize breakage, it's also going to help you to get rid of split ends, which is so good. Like, a lot of benefit for you to get by using this DIY hair gel on your hair, fast hair grow, and every other good stuff you are looking for in hair product is also inside this DIY gel. So I'm just going to continue to separate my hair. When I am done, I will be back. So guys, this is the final look of my twist out using my DIY hair growth gel. So this is how my hair is looking like, so defined, so moisturized, so shiny. Like, it just look like a stud bought product. So I want you guys to really give it a try. I know most of you have tried it. Plastic gel, just try to add the hibiscus and also use grease as this to seal in everything, the moisture, to seal it in. That you are going to love the result so much. So if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. If you love this video, you are not yet a subscriber, please do consider subscribe and join my lovely natural channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.